All right, guys, I got my target here. It is Wednesday, August 14th. I'm gonna go ahead and set it up here at 50 yards. And I'm gonna shoot it around 8 p.m. today. You can see that I already got it marked. And I'm gonna test two different ammunitions to see at this time when I get back to shoot if there is a big difference. So, see you in a bit. And here you go. I'll show you guys. It is Wednesday, August 14th. There you go. Be back in a bit. Okay, guys, it's about 8 o'clock, 7:51, Wednesday, August 14th again. See? So, gonna get set up on the bench here and get the second camera rolling and get some shots down range here at 50 yards. All right, I got the gun set up here at 50 yards. Let's see here. All right. Okay, so in this video, my primary goal is to show, how good CCI Standard Velocity is in comparison to Lapua Center X. Because if you've been following along to the channel, you probably heard me say that it's not what you shoot, it's when you shoot it. And I have very high hopes for CCI, especially right now with the weather the way it is, because I've shot it so much, I know when it likes to be shot. And that's why I knew around 8 p.m. tonight that it would shoot pretty decent in comparison to the Center X by Lapua. So I'm going to go ahead and use the magazine since it's just for groups, nothing really too precise, but we're going to do an overall measurement. The front or top row of those targets down there, I got a paper with my crosshairs on it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to shoot 5 at the top row, which is for fouling and sighters of each ammo. Then we're going to shoot 5 round groups. I think 5 round groups. Yeah. Okay, so Lapua is up first since that's the last ammo I tried in this barrel. I don't want to switch ammo and not be a fair comparison. So this is exactly how it was when I shot at the match. Okay, top row. All right, go ahead and load up 5 more. Okay, next one down. This one counts. See if I can pull it off. Looks like I had one on the outside there on the bottom. You're probably wondering why I'm not loading all of them at one time. Sometimes it shoots better, your magazine will shoot a little bit better, or I should say downrange, the results will be a little bit better if you don't load your magazine all the way up and bind it up. This magazine does really well with just 5 rounds, but I don't use that during a match. Okay, one more 5-shot group with the Lapua. Lube and powder is getting all over my fingers. Last group. Nice tight cluster. Okay, moving on. CCI Standard Velocity. Five rounds to fallet. Top row. Okay, looks like she tightened up down there in the fouling group. Okay, next 5 of the CCI Standard Velocity. This group counts. See what happens. I got high hopes in this gun, which is my 20-inch 1022 Target Light. Ooh, that was nice and tight. Next 5 rounds here. Jeez, that's nice and tight too. I'm just letting it rip. 5 more, last group, guys. I will say that CCI Standard Velocity is nowhere near as greasy as European ammo, but it really does cake up your chamber and your gun and your insides here. Last group. Holy smokes. Well, I don't even think I need to pull that target down there, guys. The CCI literally shot just as good, if not better, than the Lapua Center X, the way it likes to be shot in this weather condition. Like I said, guys, I've shot this ammo so much that I know it down to a T exactly when it likes to be shot, and that is no joke. This ammo is about 4 times less cost than Lapua, and it's shooting that freaking good. Holy crap. And again, this is my Target 20-inch Ruger 1022 model, shooting with a center point 16 scope. My competition rifle, and you can see how I'm shooting it. Now, I usually shoot it single shot, but that's with a mag, just to show you a comparison. That is freaking nuts. 50 yards. All right, I went back and counted up the scores here, or I should say measured the groups, and you can't even tell a difference. And believe it or not, the CCI shot just literally a hair better. 5-round magazine, 20-inch Ruger 1022, CCI Standard Velocity versus Lapua Center X. That is freaking nuts. 0.45 average out of 3 5-shot groups, 0.51 average out of 3 5-shot groups. These up here were siders and fowlers, as I called them. Man, like I said, I know exactly when to shoot the CCI Standard Velocity, and it really shows, guys. I cannot believe it. I got it down, and my target ammo, like I said before, I've seen things, and it's shooting just as good as match ammo, no joke. So I hope you see what I did here in comparison of a cheap target ammo versus a match ammo, about 4 times the cost. And again, it comes down to, it's not what you shoot, it's when you shoot it. And you can see I started around 8 o'clock tonight because that's when I knew it was going to shoot good. And I even said that a couple times in the video so far. Woo! That is awesome. Thanks again for watching. See you on the next one.